Okay, start reverse. How deep is the water?
1.
Under keel, so it's 9 feet deep. Okay, start us in reverse. Woody, let go of that clutch. Use the tool. A little bit more. Put the tool back down on deck. Grab that anchor chain. Lift it up a little bit, and that anchor is going to take off and scream. Okay, now always keep your hands open. Okay. Stand back, stand back. Okay. Use your tool. Use your tool. Use your tool. Use your tool. Open it up. Open it up. Okay. Tighten it. Tighten it. Tighten it. Tighten it. Put the chain hook on it. Forward gear, forward gear, forward gear, forward gear. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Neutral, neutral, neutral.
What?
Okay, we've got a little excitement here on a Saturday morning. So everybody hold on, hold on. Hold on, Woody, hold on.